Welcome back. It's All This Math. This is Professor Parker. Please hit the like button if you're here. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Also, share this video with at least one other person. All right. And if you have any questions or comments, put your questions or comments in the comment section. All right. What are we doing today? We are using Quick 10 drawings to add two-digit numbers. This is what a lot of people refer to as new math because they may not have learned it this way when they were children. But it's a valid method that helps our children to get a more conceptual understanding of addition and a more conceptual understanding of place value through using pictures. That's why it's called a drawing. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to represent 27 as a drawing using vertical bars and little circles. Then we're going to do the same thing with 13 using vertical bars and little circles. All right, now I've made some other videos on Quick 10 drawings. I didn't do it exactly this way, but this is a variation, but it still works. It still works, but check me out. So first question, how many 10s do I have in 27? I have two of them. That's why there's a 2 in the tens place, right? Because that means we have two 10s. We got 20. 10 and 10 is 20. 10 times 2 is 20. So that's how many 10s we got. So we're going to represent the 10s with a long vertical bar. So we do 10 and another 10. All right. Now, how do we represent the ones? Now, I'm choosing to represent the ones with little circles. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So I got 10, 10, and 7. That's 27. All right. See the similarity? See the connection? 10 and 10 gives me 20. These 7 circles give me 7. Then over here, I got 13. Now I'm going to do the vertical bar for 10, and I'm going to do 3 circles. Right? Now, my next step is to put an equal sign. Now I'm going to count up all my 10s. How many 10s I got? I got 3 10s. So that means I should have a 3 in the 10s place. So I got 3 10s. 3 10s is 30. All right, so 3 10s is 30. Then I put a plus sign. Then I count up all my ones. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. So I do that. Now I got 30, which is 3 10s, and I got 10, which is 1 10. Altogether, how many 10s we got? That's 4. So our answer is going to be 40. That's our final answer. And we use a quick 10 drawing to do that. All right, just to show a visualization of what this number looks like, this two-digit number looks like, represented when you break it down by place value, and what this number looks like broken down by place value, right? That's what a quick 10 drawing is. That's all it is. Ain't nothing too crazy, and ain't even that deep. All right. So 27, 10 and 10 with 7 ones, 13, 10 with 3 ones. Add up all your 10s. That's where this 30 came from. Count up all your ones. That's where this 10 came from because we count 10. And then we got to say, well, what's 30 plus 10? Right? I got 3 10s. 30 is just 3 10s. 10 is 1 10. Altogether, we got 4 10s, which is 40. That's it. All right. You got any questions or comments? Put them in the comment section. Please share this video with at least one other person. Like the video if you didn't hit like already. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.